everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new emote in Heartopia, the Aura of Sand emote. In this new event at this Heartopia that called Dreamlight Cinematic event, you can get this new free Aura Sand, new free emotes like this. And then to get this emote, you need to pop the bubble at the map. More precisely, you can get this bubble at the near the amethyst pit. This one, just go to the spines, and then after that you will see the bubbles that floating on there like this one, and then next just simply pops it like this and you will get the emotes automatically like this. This one you successfully get the Aura of Sands emote like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.